Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the waterspout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up again. But this time, the spider wasn't quite the same. He spun a shiny web and played a new game. Out came a breeze that swayed the leaves so tall. The spider danced around, bouncing off the wall. Spin, 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 little spider go. Climb and twist and twirl below. Dance in the breeze, swing high and low. The Itsy Bitsy Spider puts on a show. Up, he climbed the spout once more, but this time he took a detour. He met a ladybug who gave a friendly wave. Together they danced and laughed so brave. Then came a bird with feathers so bright. Come along, spider, let's take flight. Up to the sky so high and wide. The spider and bird flew side by side. Spin, 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 little spider go. Climb and twist and twirl below. Dance in the breeze, swing high and low. The Itsy Bitsy Spider puts on a show. The spider descended, his day was complete. He made new friends, had fun on his feet. Back to his web so snug and tight. He dreamed of more adventures day or night. Spin, 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 little spider go. Climb and twist and twirl below. Dance in the breeze, swing high and low. The Itsy Bitsy Spider puts on a show.